Hello. We continue with the sign-up form. Let's do error handling for our mutation. For this we will pass the config to the mutate_async function as the second argument, in which we will describe the onError callback. Its argument is an Axios error object. Let's see what's in it. As you remember, we added an error if the user already exists in the system. Let's display it as an email input error. To do this, we need to fix the submit handler in our form component. Let's move it to a new constant. And now in the onSubmit callback, we will pass the setError method as the second argument, which allows you to set errors for form inputs. Let's also update the type for our callback. But since our form handlers will be the same, we can move this type to the global duck to reuse it later. We return to the sign-up form and update the type for our handler. Great, now we can deal with the error handling. To do this, simply call the setError method and pass two arguments to it. The first is the name of our input, the second is the error object. Now let's check that it works. Great, the error is displayed. But do not forget that we still have errors for other fields. Because since we will try to stick to the same error format in the API, then we can make a global handler that will map the errors and set them to the form. To do this, let's create a utils folder in the global folder. And the file form.ts in which we will create global methods for our form. Let's call our method setErrors from response. The first argument will be the object with errors. The second will be the setError method. To iterate the object, we will use the keys method, which will return an array of the object's keys, and then we will go through each key and set the appropriate error in the form. Let's go back, add our method, and check that the errors are actually set to the form. Great! Now we need to add a handler for a successful request. To do this, let's add an onSuccess callback, in which we will redirect to the home page and add a notification. For the redirect, we will use the useNavigate hook. For notification, we will use the useToast hook. Pass the config. And add a toast call to our callback. It's time to check it out. Great! After creating the user, we were redirected to the sign-in page, or we can later log in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like. See you in the next video.